The first of all, I would like to high respect to the venerable Professor, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Priyasujia. Today I'm very happy to be here for presentation. My topic is what can the World Wide Web offer ESL teacher? Okay, so I will presentation for you about my topic. The first slide, the introduction. The rapid growth of the internet which link computer all over the world into a single electronic communication network is in the process of making widespread computer-based introduction a reality. Number 2, introduction to the special issue, creativity, technology, teacher, education. Number 3, YouTube, educational, potential and fitful. Number 4, University ESL student learner strategy on multimedia YouTube. Number 5, digital video production and foreign language learning. Okay, this is the production of my lesson. How about the outlines? The generation of www. Web 1, Web 2, Web 3. Everyone, what is Web 1, Web 2 and Web 3? Okay, I will explain for you one by one, step by step, to talk about the Web 1, Web 2 and Web 3. Web 1, the static web and shopping cart. Web 2 is dynamic web about the reading and writing. Okay. Web 3, the semantic executing web and machine centric web will be a read, write, execute web. Okay. So I will to explain in detail what is Web 1. Web 1, experts call the internet before 1999 read-only web. The average the internet user role was limited to the reading the information which was presented to him or her. The best example of this 1.0 web era are million of the static website with the mushroom during the .com boom. There was no the active communication or information flow from the consumer of the information to the producer of the information, but the information age was born. Okay, this is Web 1. How about Web 2? Web 2, people centric web. So I have many points that we talk about the Web 2. Okay, that we talk about the Web 2. The technology and trend. Social network site, Facebook, MySpace, Hi-Fi, etc. Okay, taking or the labeling the content .icio.us. Wiki is a media Communication generated the content is eBay. Okay, open the service Google P2P BitTorrent. New web, the technology HTML, OSS, or AJAX. Open source the software. This is the Web 2. We talk about the website. You can go through the internet to search whatever you want to know, especially our direction. Okay. Web 3. Web 3, the machine, the centric web, the third generation of web, the technology and service that emphasize machine facilitated understanding of information on the web. Evolution path, semantic web, intelligent system planning, the business and network application, etc. Okay, Web 3, we have video web. Okay, Web 3D, ubiquitous and pervasive web. Okay, continue about the Web 3, semantic and web. It is a group of the method and technology to allow the machine to understand the meaning or the semantics of information on the World Wide Web. The semantic web is a vision of information that is understandable by computer, so computer can perform more of the tedious work involved in finding the combining and acting upon information on the web. The development of Web 3 focuses on adding data or information to describe the content of the web, which provide an intelligent level to the website, enable to user to the communication completely with the machine, enable to machine to the communication with each other. So this is the all my point that I to explain about the web. Okay, Web 1, Web 2, and Web 3. Okay, for more, what can you do with the technology in the language classroom? Okay, we can be used as an introductional tool in classroom, a delivery system for learner instruction as instructional the content itself. Traditional the technology tool, the stereo and television, overhead projector and document camera, audio tape, CD, video tape, DVD, camera and camcorder, and the last is telephone. So that's all my point that I presentation for you related to my topic is what can the World Wide Web offer ESL teacher. So my presentation come to finish. I wish to all of you have good luck, good health and happiness in your family. Thank you so much.